Pixel 7a will be Google's upcoming mid-range offering that will succeed the Pixel 6a and is expected to debut at the I/O 2023 show on May 10th. While we wait for the official announcement, tipsters are taking no break to bring out new details about the phone at regular intervals. Now in the latest, the Pixel 7a has appeared in a new hands-on leak courtesy of Zing News. These images show off the new design in full glory, and unsurprisingly it looks almost identical to most recent Pixel phones. The Pixel 7a can be seen in black color, but there could be other options at launch. The leaked hands-on images show the first boot screen, which also confirms the phone will pack 8GB LPDDR5 Samsung RAM and 128GB internal storage. There might also be a 6GB version as well. As per the leaked images, Pixel 7a is almost identical to the Pixel 7 series with a square design with sharp edges. There is a center-positioned punch hole cutout for the selfie snapper and symmetrical bezels on all corners. The power button and volume rockers are on the right edge. The top portion houses the secondary microphone for noise cancellation. The bottom edge has two speaker vents and a USB Type-C slot. The back of the phone is where you find the horizontal strap to house dual cameras and an LED flash. The panel appears to be made of glass. According to recent leaks, the Google Pixel 7a is tipped to ship with a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. The phone is likely to be shipped with the Tensor G2 chipset similar to the Pixel 7 series. The SoC will be paired with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB UFS 3.1 storage. The handset is likely to boot Android 13 OS out of the box. Moving to optics, the Pixel 7a is tipped to come with a 64MP Sony IMX787 sensor and a 12MP secondary sensor. Rumors are rife that the selfie shooter could be 10.8MP unit, which is the same as Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. The phone is likely to come with 25W fast charging support. The Pixel 7a is expected to launch in May. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.